Hey guys, so as we all know, America is in shelter in place and everyone's at home. In the past, the CDC has recommended not wear face masks, but they are changing that. A lot of people are wondering right now, how do I get a face mask? Well, today guys, we're gonna show you guys how to make a face mask using these bags. One of the other things that's going around is using cloth to make face masks, but I think this is better because this is water resistant, guys. Let's go ahead and do the bead test. And the way you can test it is you go under your sink. The water droplet rolled right off. That is what we want, guys, because the virus is transmitted through the air in water droplets. So you want a mask that's water resistant, guys. Let's hop right into it. The materials are just scissors, a stapler, and then this elastic string, guys. If you don't have elastic string, rubber bands are fine. Or if you have old masks, go ahead and use the old string from the old masks. That would be the most comfortable. Alright guys, so you start with a bag. Get a bag like that. You should have enough to cut up the bag into this shape right here. This is about 16 to 18 centimeters. And then this is about 13 to 15 centimeters. So get a large ruler and go ahead and measure that out. We're gonna go ahead and do some folding, guys. Our first step is going to be a big fold like so, just like that. And then we're gonna fold it a little bit. And then we're gonna continue, we're gonna flip it over. And then we're gonna go ahead and fold it some more. Turn it over and then fold it one more time like so. And then there's our couple flaps for our mask. I'm gonna give one staple right here. And then one staple right here as well, guys. Now, the next step is we're gonna flip the mask to the back. We're gonna have a fold on the sides. And then we're gonna go ahead and staple the string right here. The 20 centimeter string right here. Okay. Right. So place the string right there in the middle, the fold, and go ahead and fold it over. Give it like 4 staples for good measure. There we go. There we go, guys. Alright, let's tie the ends. Alright guys, we ended up tying the knots. That works. That's nice. Hoping this video helped out some of you guys. Take care and stay safe. And see you next time on Boston soon.